Alright, here we are. Nobody else, just me. And I'm about to give you people a tour of my house. Okay. This right here. My bathroom. This next to my grandma's house. Computer is the room where when I go to bed I have to brush my teeth. Oh crap. They were seeing my face. Okay. Right here is my phone. Which is not a phone, to be exact. And toilet paper. And you did not see my face? Not touching me? Okay, I'm just kidding. This is where the shower is. This is where... Okay, and that's the tour of my house.